It's a great pleasure for me to be here. I think you're very fortunate because you have a vehicle. The products that, both products, Zri and Nutriveda, are a vehicle for you to not only improve your health and experience a state of physical, mental, emotional, spiritual well-being, but also these products allow you to teach other people and bring the whole context of Ayurveda to them. As you know, I've devoted a major portion of my life promoting holistic health based on the principles of Ayurveda. The word Ayurveda means the science of life. And life includes everything. It includes our physical well-being, our emotional well-being, well-being as far as relationships are concerned, social interactions, economic well-being. All these things are part of the experience that we call health, because health is wholeness. Health is the return of the memory of wholeness. Zri is an extraordinary opportunity for you to not only become the best health educators in the world, but also an extraordinary opportunity for you to become the symbolic expressions of a collective consciousness that's moving in a new direction. In other words, I would like to see Zri independent executives take on a leadership role for creating a new paradigm for our civilization. I think you have a unique opportunity to offer a completely new idea of what it means to be healthy, but also you have the opportunity as people who have a very important product that makes a difference in people's lives. You have the opportunity to take that product and completely shift consciousness. Dr. Jonas Salk, who was a great scientist and an evolutionary biologist, towards the end of his life, he said the future of our planet and the future of our own species is not survival of the fittest. That's an old paradigm. The future of our planet and the future of human evolution is survival of the wisest. Wisdom will become the new criterion for fitness, because wisdom is that knowledge that nurtures the chain of being, the web of life, and ultimately regards life and spirit as the most sacred elements of the whole universe. So thank you very much for being with me tonight, and good luck and all the best with your new career.